The Kai T-50 Golden Eagle is the first South Korean supersonic advanced jet trainers, light combat aircraft and light fighter developed by Korea Aerospace Industries (Kai) with Lockheed Martin. It is South Korea's first indigenous supersonic aircraft and one of the world's few supersonic trainers. Historically, South Korea was dependent on USA for fighter jet acquisition, but due to USA extra pricing of aircrafts and other conditions during F/A-18 deal in 1994, South Korea forced to purchase F-16 fighter jets. This incident opened doors for indigenous production. First, like Japan, they start license production of F-16, designated as the KF-16 in Korean Air Force. The first 12 aircraft were delivered to Republic of Korea Air Force in December 1994. Almost 2,500 parts are changed from the original F-16C/D. F-16C/D produced under license from Lockheed Martin indigenously, which gave confidence to local industry. After Korean War, North Korean Air Force massive build-up threatened South Korea. Then South Korea acquired North American T-28 Trojan trainers, North American F-86D Sabre night and all-weather interceptors, Northrop F-5 fighters and McDonnell Douglas F-4D Phantom fighter bombers. Air Force Operations Command was established in 1961 to secure efficient command and control facilities. South Korea from 50s to 90s totally dependent on US, but in 1995 they decided to grow local defense industry. The T-50 program was originally intended to develop an indigenous trainer aircraft capable of supersonic flight, to train and prepare pilots for the KF-16 and F-15K, replacing trainers such as T-38 and A-37 that were then in service with the ROKAF. Prior South Korean aircraft programs include the turboprop KT-1 basic trainer produced by Daewoo Aerospace, now part of Kai, and license-manufactured KF-16. In general, the T-50 series of aircraft, specifically the FA-50, closely resembles the KF-16 in configuration. The aircraft was formally designated as the T-50 Golden Eagle in February 2000. The T-50A designation was reserved by the U.S. military to prevent it from being inadvertently assigned to another aircraft model. Final assembly of the first T-50 took place between January 15 and September 14, 2001. The first flight of the T-50 took place in August 2002, with initial operational assessment from July 28 to August 14, 2003. The T-50 Golden Eagle resembles the F-16 Fighting Falcon, though it is only 80% of the size. T-50 with side intakes has seating for two pilots in a tandem arrangement. The high-mounted canopy developed by Hankook Fiber is applied with stretched acrylic, providing the pilots with good visibility. The trainer has been tested to offer the canopy with ballistic protection against 4 pounds objects impacting at 400 knots. The altitude limit is 14,600 meters, 48,000 feet, and the airframe is designed to last 8,000 hours of service. The 7 internal fuel tanks have a capacity of 2,655 liters, 5 in the fuselage and 2 in the wings. An additional 1,710 liters of fuel can be carried in the 3 external fuel tanks. The T-50 uses a single General Electric F404-102 turbofan engine license produced by Samsung Techwin, upgraded with a FADEC system jointly developed by General Electric and Kai. The engine consists of 3 staged fans, a 7-axial stage arrangement, and an afterburner. The aircraft has a maximum speed of Mach 1.5. Its engine produces a maximum of 78.7 kilonewtons, 17,700 lbf, of thrust with afterburner. The more powerful GEF 414 and Eurojet EJ200 engines have been suggested as the new engine for the T-50 family. The T-50 is in service with several countries. Iraq received 24 training variants designated T-50IQ in 2016. The TA-50 light attack variant has also been operated by Indonesia. 16 planes entered service in 2014 and an additional 6 aircraft were ordered in 2021. The Philippines operate the FA-50 light fighter variant, 12 of which were delivered over the next few years, with the country considering ordering another batch of 12 planes. Thailand ordered 12 units of the T-50 advanced trainer variant, T-50TH, starting in 2015. In 2022, Poland ordered 48 FA-50 aircraft, followed by Malaysia in 2023, which ordered 18 of the latest Block 20 variant. 12 countries negotiating for purchase of these aircrafts and 5 countries cancelled orders.